Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download, install, and configure Windhawk on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. Windhawk is one of the best free customization tools for Windows. Using this tool, you can modify the taskbar, start menu, file explorer, and many hidden Windows features very easily. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Windhawk. Now open the official website. From here, click on Download. After downloading the setup file, open it as administrator. Now click Next. Accept the license agreement and continue the installation process. Within a few seconds, Windhawk will be installed successfully. After installation, open Windhawk. Now you will see the main dashboard. From the Explore section, you can browse different mods and customization options. For example, let's install a popular mod. Search for taskbar clock customization. Open the mod and click Install. After installation, click Enable mod. Now you can customize the settings according to your preference. One important thing: always install trusted and highly rated mods only. Before applying major customizations, it is a good idea to create a system restore point. This helps you recover Windows easily if anything goes wrong. Windhawk is lightweight and works smoothly on most Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.